In this video, I'm going to show you 3 places where you can spend your PayPal money from your PayPal account with no bank account connected. Before we jump into the knowledge of this video, I'd like to ask you all to smash that subscribe button if you're new, and if you find this video helpful, to give this video a thumbs up. Now without further ado, let's show you 3 places where you can spend your money from your PayPal balance without having to connect a bank account or credit or debit card. This list is in no particular order. I'm just giving you 3 places which I recommend that you can spend your PayPal balance without having to connect a bank account, credit or debit card. But with that said, there are also millions of other places where you can spend your PayPal balance without having to connect a bank account, credit or debit card. And just because I'm giving you these 3 recommended places where you can spend your PayPal balance doesn't mean that there isn't another million places online where you can do this. But this is just to give you an idea of the recommended places where you can spend your PayPal balance without having to connect a bank account. Now without further ado, let's get into the first on this list, and that is going to be Amazon. Amazon is a very popular marketplace online where you can buy various items and have them delivered to your door. Most of you may have heard of Amazon already, as there is a global delivery service that Amazon does provide, as they deliver to many different territories and countries around the world. If you did not know, during the checkout process in various territories, you can now pay with your PayPal balance. During the checkout, you will see PayPal as an option, and when you use this option, you can actually pay with your PayPal balance instead of a connected credit or debit card. Coming in the number 2 spot is part of the PayPal family. It's a brilliant website in terms of using your PayPal account, because you can also run a business via your PayPal account using this website, and that is going to be eBay. eBay is part of the PayPal family. PayPal was originally created by the founder Elon Musk. That's right, the person who runs Tesla and is taking us through space using SpaceX. Elon Musk is the person who founded PayPal. Elon Musk then sold the company to eBay. eBay then bought PayPal and began to expand PayPal into its own empire, into what it is today. You will be able to run a business using your PayPal account, receive payments and send payments via eBay fairly easily. And I also add some eBay links in the description to items and services that I recommend and show and talk about here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. So yes, you can sell items using your PayPal account using a eBay account connected, and you can also run an entire merchant business via PayPal and eBay when you connect the 2 together. And eBay is one of those places where you can use your PayPal balance to make a purchase online without the need of a bank account, credit or debit card. And the third place that I'm going to share with you that you can make a purchase, spend money using your PayPal balance without the need of a bank account, credit or debit card is Xbox. So on your Xbox, I've taught you already how you can connect your PayPal account to your Xbox account so you can make purchases on Xbox. When you do this, you can purchase in-game items, game add-ons and a lot more. I like to give you value, but it's also brilliant if you can subscribe. You can also join this channel for additional perks and more. So I game a lot here on this channel as well, and you can game with me and more when you join this channel. You can also get other perks that can be helpful to you. For example, priority replies in the comment section no matter what video on this channel you are commenting on. As we grow here, if you're a member, I will prioritize your comments in the comment section and reply back to you, whether you've got a question or just want to say hi. My name's Anthony Allen. You've been watching a video here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. There's a lot more where that came from. Check out more PayPal videos and the online money playlist for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.